English to Afrikaans. Go equals.
gaan,
Fun present tense practice. Welcome. Hey, friend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tools at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we make the English verb, go, groove in Afrikaans with.
gaan,
Expect jokes, quick drills, and brain-friendly pauses. Ready? Let's go.
gaan,
Your goal today. Your mission. Master the present forms so well you can use them without thinking. To go equals.
gaan,
I go equals.
ek gaan,
You go, singular, equals.
jy gaan,
He goes equals.
hy gaan,
She goes equals.
sy gaan,
It goes equals.
dit gaan,
We go equals.
ons gaan,
You, plural, go equals.
julle gaan,
They go equals.
hulle gaan,
Rhythm forms. Clap or tap. After I prompt, echo the Afrikaans out loud. I go.
ek gaan,
You go, sing.
jy gaan,
He goes.
hy gaan,
She goes.
sy gaan,
It goes.
dit gaan,
We go.
ons gaan,
You, plural, go.
julle gaan,
They go.
hulle gaan,
Bonus beat. Go.
gaan,
Mini dialogue. Listen to the scene, smile, then try to repeat it. A. Are we ready? B. Yes.
ons gaan,
A. Where's Tom? B.
hy gaan,
To the station already. A. And Mia? B. Quick as lightning.
sy gaan,
To the cafe. A. How's the plan? B. Meh.
dit gaan,
Not perfect. A. Team, move. You two in front.
julle gaan,
First. A. The rest? B. No worries.
hulle gaan,
After us. A. And me? B. Easy.
ek gaan,
With you. Narrator. In short, we all.
gaan,
Somewhere today. Drill time. Quick fire. I say English, you shout Afrikaans after the pause. They go.
hulle gaan,
You, plural, go.
julle gaan,
We go.
ons gaan,
She goes.
sy gaan,
He goes.
hy gaan,
You go, sing.
jy gaan,
I go.
ek gaan,
It goes.
dit gaan,
Go, base form.
gaan,
Culture tip. Tiny real-world hooks make words stick. In South Africa, people often say, robot, for a traffic light. When it turns green, you.
gaan,
For small talk, someone asks, how's it going? Equals.
hoe gaan dit,
A neutral reply is.
dit gaan,
Group hype before a game? Shout.
ons gaan,
It's like flipping a giant green switch. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, then I'll confirm. Translate. We go.
ons gaan,
Translate. You, plural, go.
julle gaan,
Translate. He goes.
hy gaan,
Translate. She goes.
sy gaan,
Translate. It goes.
dit gaan,
Translate. I go.
ek gaan,
Translate. You go, sing.
jy gaan,
Translate. They go.
Hulle gaan.
Translate. Go.
Gaan.
Your challenge. Make a one-breath story that hits every form. Go on, you've got this. Your turn. Say a micro-story using all forms.
Ek gaan. Jy gaan. Hy gaan. Sy gaan. Dit gaan. Ons gaan. Julle gaan. Hulle gaan.
And the base.
Gaan.
Sample idea.
Ek gaan.
To the bus stop.
Jy gaan.
With me.
Hy gaan.
To work.
Sy gaan.
To class.
Dit gaan.
Okay.
Ons gaan.
Together.
Julle gaan.
Ahead.
Hulle gaan.
Later, green light means.
Gaan.
Exclamation mark quote. Wrap up. Nice work, your brain just leveled up. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms daily, share a laugh while you do, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and resources. Until next time, keep calm and
Gaan.
learn.